Hey guys on YouTube, it's it's Captain Russell Point again. Today, we're doing a brief tour of this microwave. I think what make that is, and I don't know what the make of it is. On this, I'm doing very easy. I want to open the door, very easy opens. Timer there. I have a timer here. Timer here. Timer, I'll just leave it like that. And yep, this then is the microwave. That's the kind of grill in there. That's old microwave. It's kind of built-in microwave. It doesn't get used very much, and that kind of video national, unfortunately. That's the temperature guide there. There's a power guide there. Timer there. Let's let the air into this. That's the overview of this microwave. Hope it's always says views. I'll see you in a bit. Goodbye.